I have completed my bachelor's. Should I go for a job or pursue my higher education? Now, this is a very personalized question. It would differ from one person to another. There is no fixed one answer that I can give you at this moment. The simple reason being, it depends on your family situation, it depends on your financial emergencies or your liabilities. Now, based on that, you have to take a call. If you are pursuing your higher studies, what you can do is you can do a job simultaneously and go for open universities to have your higher education after completing your bachelor's. If you have time, definitely you should prefer for having at least a master's degree with you. However, for other options, you do have an option that in certain cases that after bachelor's you are getting a good company and a good placement. In that scenario, we definitely recommend that you can join the job, and later on through the career enrichment program you can pursue your higher degrees later on after a break of 1 or 2 years, or simultaneously you can take a study leave or do evening classes and complete your higher studies. So there are various things that you must keep in mind, and that's one of the primary reasons we say that this is a decision which is based on personal individual circumstances. There is no one standard answer for this question, but still, if you are looking for personal mentoring or guidance, definitely feel free to connect back to us on the number below. Wish you very good luck.